Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Audi S3 front bumper step by step. Begin by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then disconnect the battery to prevent electrical shorts. Remove lower splash shield fasteners, gently pull beside clips free, unbolt fog light brackets, and carefully undo grille clips. Keep fasteners organized and label locations, and use trim tools to avoid scratching paint during removal. Start by removing the lower splash shield fasteners and clips under the bumper. Use a 10 mm socket for bolts and a trim tool for plastic clips. Keep the shield supported to avoid stress on clips while you pull it away. Inspect for hidden screws near the wheel wells and under the grille. Store fasteners labeled in the tray to make reassembly simple and quick. Take photos of mounting points for reference. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: Robot Face. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum Voice Control, powerful suction, and smart mapping that saves time after shop cleanup. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support and enjoy. Now let's get back to the video. With the shield removed, locate the bumper fender bolts inside each wheel well and remove them using a 10 mm socket and extension if needed. Next, unbolt the bumper from the top near the grille and headlights, keeping soft pressure on the bumper to prevent sudden drops. Disconnect fog light and sensor connectors before fully separating the bumper. Work with a helper when pulling the bumper forward to clear clips and prevent paint damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.